G'day, here's a small parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The black that you can see is where someone's marked them out to cut them to shape. For some reason they've probably been rejected, probably not enough colour, but the parcel's been sold on what's in the parcel, and this sort of material will be good to practice on if you haven't cut boulder before. A little bit of green along this side here. I think the water's hiding it a bit too much. Like I said, this is a practice material parcel, there's not a lot of colour in it. The black will rub off, of course, as soon as you put it on a wheel. A little bit of fire just here, red. There it is showing there a few with a bit more character. It's quite a bright little bar of colour in there. Showing sometimes. A little eye of colour on the end there. Some more over this side. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.